Hello everyone, this is Joanna from Suoer. Suoer is a professional car amplifier manufacturer located in Foshan, Guangdong Province. These are our certificates for the products. And today I will introduce our basic entry-level models CA series, and those are class AB 4-channel 80 watts. And we are OEM. We provide OEM and ODM service. So we have 2 IDs and colors for optional. If you have any demand, you could design what you want. We have professional engineer who could provide you advanced products and technology. And we also have professional sales who could provide you best service. Okay, so if you have any demand, please contact us. Suoer is always your best choice. Thank you. Bye.